Hello mga kaguro, this is Sergio, your partner in guide in troubleshooting and working out with your documents. In today's video, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng PowerPoint slide automatically using Google Gemini AI. All you have to do is to have your desktop or laptop with you. Make sure you are connected to the internet. And right now, I'll be using Google Chrome. Alright, so follow nyo lang po mga kaguro. In this search bar, you have to type Google Gemini and then hit enter. And there's another box right here where you can type whatever you want. You ask to Gemini. And this time, since I am a teacher in grade 3, I wanted to make a short PowerPoint slide about the topic parts of the body. So let's try mga kaguro, and please sundan nyo lang po yung video. Alright mga kaguro, after you are done, just hit enter lang po and wait until the AI to finish working with the slides. Make sure you have a strong internet connection lang po mga kaguro so that the process of completing the slide will not be interrupted. It will take long if you ask the AI to make more slides, but if you only ask for a short number of slides, I believe madali lang po matatapos. And it really depends po on the speed of your internet. Alright? So just wait for a while lang po mga kaguro, and right now it's almost done completing. And let's check right here mga kaguro, it's still loading. Anyway, you can type right here at the bottom left corner. You can revise the slide if you check that there's something that you need to add or change. If you wanted to add image, then you can also type right here on this box. It will automatically find or generate image and then paste it on the slide where you wanted to put. Alright mga kaguro, it's still loading. We'll be waiting until it's done mga kaguro. Alright, so it's almost done and it's perfect. So we have already 17 slides. So a while ago I have typed 15 slides, but we have here 17 a total because I believe there's additional 2 slides, one for front page and the other one is for references or something like that. So we'll be checking right here mga kaguro. So it's already have images. So we don't need to search to the internet, download and paste it in our slides because the AI will automatically generate image or will automatically copy image from the internet and paste it to the slides. And you don't have to worry about the references because if you're going to check right here, the slide made by AI already includes the link where the image was taken or were taken. Alright, so paano na po natin magagamit ang slides na ginawa ng Gemini? All you have to do right here, if you can check mga kaguro in this part on the upper right corner, export slide. So just hit that one. If you wanted to change something and if you wanted to double check, or just like for example you wanted to resize the font, change the font style or something like that, we'll be exporting it first to Google Slides. So I'll be showing you how to download this one and how to upgrade or add additional revision using the Google Slide mga kaguro. Alright, so it's done. If you can check right here mga kaguro at the bottom left corner, there's a black button right here that has open slide word, and then just hit that one and it will open another tab. So in this part mga kaguro, it's already open in Google Slide. So we can click right here in slideshow to check what it will really looks like if we're going to play it in our laptop or TV. So let's review mga kaguro, and if you can check right here, walang image. So we can find image in Google Slide mga kaguro. So there are images right here, and if you're not satisfied with the image given by the AI, just hit escape lang mga kaguro, and then click right here, insert. Insert image, and you can choose right here, upload from computer if you have one already in your computer or laptop, or your Google Drive or Photos or something like that. But if you don't have one, just click stock or web if you wanted to search in the internet. All right, so the image right here talks about muscles. So I'll be searching right here, boy with muscles, and then hit search. And you can click the image, okay? Whatever image you want, just click the stack images. So you can hit that one or drag that here on the the part where there's an image generated by AI. You can delete that one. You can drag and resize the image coming from Google Slides. So it's very simple, mga kaguro, and everything is easy right here. All you have to do is to think of something you want because Google will really helps us. All right, so let's go back right here on the part where there is no image attached. So parts of the face. I'll be searching right here, parts of the face, and then hit OK. And I can choose whatever image I want. So if you don't want this one, you can delete and you can add another image. Just choose right here from the picture. Okay, so I like this one. All right, mga kaguro, we are done. We have already checked the slides from the cover to the references, and we have already checked the content right here, and it's grade level appropriate. So what we're going to do right now is to download it so that we can have a copy in our laptop or desktop. So just hit right here on the upper left corner, click File, then just go right here all the way down to Downloads and click or put your cursor right here on this arrow and choose all the way down to Microsoft PowerPoint. All right, so it's now downloading and click right here on the download icon. So it's already downloaded. Just hit right here on this folder for you to check where it was located. Then open the file. All right, so it shows right here protected view and it's automatically open in our Microsoft PowerPoint application. And click enable editing if you wanted to edit the content of this PowerPoint. So you can change the color, you can change the font styles, font size, and you can still change the images. You can resize anything you want in this kind of slide made by the AI or the Google Gemini AI. All right, di ba? Napakadali lang and malaking tulong mga kaguro ang ganitong ideya, lalo na if you are really busy in preparing your lesson. And make sure lang po that there's an alignment with the lesson made by AI to